Hey everybody, this is Kayla from Cooptastic Adventures, and today I am in Thomaston, Georgia, here at the Sprewell Bluff State Park. I'm sorry about the name if I butchered it. I've been practicing, and right now we're doing the Longleaf Loop Trail here that goes along the river, and we pulled up and realized that you can go kayaking here, so that was a mistake on us. Next time that's what we will be doing because it looks awesome. And before I forget, because I forget every time that I post, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media, and we are about to get started right now. trail. We haven't done other hiking trails yet, but we're still on the first one. But this one, it's very backcountry, so I would recommend that you put on bug spray because it's no joke. And on a hot, humid day like this, I would make sure that you dress accordingly because, yeah, had to take that off. So anyways, onward. The Lincoln Trail? Or the Loop Trail?
The Lincoln Trail.
I think it's amazing. I think these bugs keep going to my eyeballs like giant bullseyes. What do you think? 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 What do you think?
I don't think.
You should.
I don't know how to think. I can't even read.
I will say, if one more bug hits me in my eyeball, I'm gonna be done for the day. Oh, it is raining. Hey! At least we're getting cooled off. But, oh, I hear cars. Yay, we're almost there.
Sure.
that was it here for Sprewell Bluff State Park here in Thomaston, Georgia. And it is, it's a beautiful place, and you can kayak and you can hike, and there's tons of different hiking trails. There's also an overlook that you can check out as well. And also, I would just keep in mind that the bugs here are legit, so I would wear a lot of bug spray or cover your legs because there is a lot of underbrush, as well as fire ants. There's a ton of fire ants here. At this state park, there's like a beach area, and you can kayak, you can tube, you can play in the water. I don't know about fishing. Yes. I'm assuming that you can. Yes. Okay, yes, you can. And there's tons of different options, and I believe you can also bring pets too. So this is a really solid state park. We're gonna go to another trail and we're gonna see what we're gonna do from here, but I wanted to record before my camera dies because it looks like it's on the brink of death right now. But I hope everybody has an awesome day today and stay safe out there, and I will see you on the next trail. Bye. Ooh. Oh my God. That is muddy. Ugh.